All posts prepare for battle. Half ahead. Missile away. 10 seconds to impact. Eyes on enemy contact. The missile is away. Firing torpedo bearing 350. Starboard turn. Missile silo 1 reporting. Missile away. Half ahead. The missile is away. Left turn. Take course 070. Ahead 15 knots. Torpedo tubes open and ready for engaging. Battle stations. This is not a drill.
New contact, Captain. Detecting auxiliary noises overhead.
Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Missiles are fuel and ready, sir. Captain has the con. All hands on deck. Go ahead. Clearance are ready to open fire. Fire one. Lots of enemy missiles. We're prepared for shadow launch. Left turn. Take course 070. Eyes on enemy contact. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Eyes on enemy contact.
Hold free. We're taking on water quickly.
We're all below the waterline. We're flooding quickly. Torpedo noise bearing 240. Prepare to destroy incoming torpedo. Half a third. Missile silos are ready for launch. Prepare for launch. Missile ready. Torpedoes in the water. System green. Heat decoys are ready. On left. 30 degrees. Contact surface type detected. Launch detection. Radar reports 10 seconds to impact, sir. I have a visual on enemy ship. Target signature confirmed. We're all below the waterline. We're flooding quickly. Launch reporting. Attack from enemy warships. Torpedo tube final ready for firing, sir. Engine standby. Missile away. 10 seconds to impact. Initiate damage control. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Make ready the torpedo tubes. Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates. Shoot at my command. Turn left. 30 degrees. Port side turn. Total launch torpedo core 1. Missile silo 1 reporting. Missile away. Right turn. Take course 120. Full crew is ready for repair. Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates. Missile silos are ready for launch. Torpedo tubes open and ready for engaging. Torpedo tube final ready for firing, sir. Missiles are fuel and ready, sir. Whole crew is ready for repair. Alpha ahead. Missile silos are ready for launch.